All right, we're back. Brandon, tell them what we're back with. Nope, not Evo content, not S13 content, but got some Beamer content for you fanboys. But today, we're gonna put a carbon panel on that E36 because E36 door panels are like a dime a dozen.
Edge here.
So we're gonna put a carbon panel on it.
Just gotta get a nice grip here and just give it a quick. Like
that's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna make it look good. We're gonna put it on. Show you the steps that we take to put it on. So let's go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is drill this lock out. So that way the door panel lines up. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do to make sure everything's even around the edges of it. All right, so I got the lock drilled out. Next thing I'm gonna do is cut this right here for the door handle. So that way that's lined up. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is cut these edges off. So the first, gonna get the door handle lined up so that way that's centered, and then cut off the perimeter edges. So hopefully we don't screw this up. Top, then this little clip slides into the door, and then it's got a T20 Torx head that bolts right in here. Alright, so now door handle is on. And tightened up. I want to go crazy with this thing. It's all tightened up now. Door should open and close. Gotta put the panel on. Alright, first test fit. Put the lock through. Now we're gonna put the handle, make sure that lines up. Which it does. Perfect. Alright, so now next thing I need to do is figure out how much of these ends I'm gonna take off because it has excess. So I'm gonna tape that up to make sure that I'm good and I don't cut it too short. Rather have extra material than cut it too short, then I'm screwed. So I'm gonna figure out that, tape that up, and then go from there.
Oh, it's on top of that one over there? Oh, that just stuck on like it was supposed to. Yeah, and then I want to bolt them in.
Yeah, just carbon.
Yeah. Well, it's not bolted here, isn't it, on the side?
Yeah, here.
Those aren't going to interfere with the door jam?
Shouldn't.
It shouldn't if it's here, right?
No, I'm not going to do like a ton of them. It's going to be
like 3, right?
Yeah, like maybe 2 or 3. Honesties.
The bottom is short enough? Yeah. I wonder why they give like that access.
It's probably the
Were they?
yeah, just the way the panel's like the mold.
Yeah.
Probably just like deeper if I can send out like this.
Yeah.
Probably so. Probably fuck it, they cut it.
Yeah, no, literally. We're gonna have to mark this edge over here too. And then we have this like slope here. This is too long for you.
This is.
Yeah.
I got the recipe, never gonna let any op get the best of me. Thought it was distance, but haters is next to me. Talk to the spirit, you know I've been heavenly.
Artlist.io.
Trajectory. This ain't a diss cause I say it respectfully. It's time to eat up, bread like a speeder. Taking it deeper and that's how it better be. I never let the comparison get to me. I just remember the promises meant for me. I know the enemy and that he's sent for me. I keep the blood of the lemons my centerpiece. I cannot trust in no crystals or energy. Look at the chemistry, it do not even mix chemically. Most of the tricks they be gimmicks, they mimik the truth. It's poison.
Music licensing reimagined.
Apply it, the fire can stand to the tallest. us a giant, the tyrant, and all the suppliers are scheming and lying. They selling his dreams and we buying it. Show me the chicken, I'm frying it.
Panels mounted, handles on, it's all trimmed. So next step, we're gonna drill pilot holes for the hardware. I think we're gonna run 2 on this side, 3 on the bottom, and then another 2 on that side. Because I don't want to tighten it too much and crack the panel. So, and plus this bezel holds it in pretty tight. So we'll run 2 on this side, probably 1 here, and then 1 here, 1 in the middle, and then 1 towards the corner, and then 2 on that side. So let's get the pilot holes drilled. One there. All right, so we got these rubber like riv nut grommets that we put on the panel, in the corners and stuff. So it actually comes with like a metal, rubber washer for this so it doesn't damage the carbon panel. So we got the holes pre-drilled. I just use a step-up bit to get these all in. So now we're gonna line the panel up and hopefully the hardware threads right in. Last one. So the panel's on. It looks so good. Hardware fit perfectly. That's great. Sits flush, handle sits flush. Overall, freaking sick job. Got to get the little grommet for the little door lock, but I'm gonna order that later. But panel fits great, door closes, doesn't rattle, nothing. So super happy the way it turned out. So unfortunately my camera died on that last clip, but as you can see we got the door panels on. They look so good. The hardware is perfect. Has those little rubber washers on the back of it so it doesn't scratch the panel at all, which is great because we don't want to damage the panel. The panels were from rare E36 parts. That's where we got them from. Again, I hope this video helps anybody that's looking to either get carbon door panels for E36 or is looking for a way to like kind of install them. Maybe this video will give you some ideas or tips. If you enjoyed the content, hit that subscribe button, like, comment if you have any questions. I appreciate you. Till next time.
Got a brand new bitch, got some brand new friends, got a brand new bag, ho, and some brand new bands, ho, got a brand new